Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and today we're going to be taking a look at some fall 2023 into winter 2024 short hairstyle ideas. So if you've been thinking of cutting your hair and going much shorter this season, you've come to the right place. If you do feel inspired by any of these hairstyles, options, and ideas, please be sure to like today's video, give it a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and you'll stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So here we have someone rocking out an icy pixie style, followed by a pixie haircut transformation. Now, if you are thinking of going shorter this season, two of the hottest looks are definitely going to be the pixie as well as the bob. Here we have a simple, chic Peter Pan style pixie. And then we have a boxy bob. So this is another huge trend for fall 2023. Moving right along into 2024, we're seeing a lot of bobs get like this mini boxy style shape. This one does feature some beautiful baby bangs as well as a platinum hair color. And then we have another short and sweet pixie style. A little bit of swoop bangs, angled bangs to frame the face. Gorgeous. And then we have a sleek bob style. I also love the simplicity of this look. And then we have a curly pixie style with an undercut. She also has a really pretty unique bold teal color. Lots of volume within this particular pixie style. And then we have a very spiky and choppy pixie. Followed by another bob. And then we have another pixie with an undercut. Very nice tapered nape area going in the back by the shaven portion. Followed by another undercut pixie style. This one features some blonde hair. And then we have a faded haircut. Now, a lot of the times these faded styles will feature a design. And they are ideal for women who are looking to go super short this season. And then we have another pixie. Now she has more of like a mohawk, spiked up pixie style. I love the color of her hair. It's like a really pretty warm blonde. And then we have another platinum and black pixie. This one also features a spikiness, choppy texture to it. And she does get a color refresh. I think I like this both ways. I think it's gorgeous both ways. And her hair still has a bit of choppiness to it as well. And then we move into the salon for the next transformation. Looks like a beautiful mini bob or pixie bob variation. Bangs going in the front with this one. And this one also features that very popular boxy shape, which we're going to be seeing a lot more of as we head into 2024. Alright you guys, I hope you did enjoy checking out all of these hairstyle ideas with me today. I will be featuring some more fall and winter hairstyle ideas, so be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.